Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for watching my video and do all that good YouTube stuff. Share it, like it, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, subscribe, all the things that you do. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. So I give a little tweak in here to make it easier to pull the caliper assembly off. And I'm going to take up, this is 14mm bolt, and there's one up here for the caliper. You get the caliper out of the way. We just have 4 14mm bolts here as well. And we'll be taking off that nut, of course, as well. And the rotor. We're going to take some stuff apart. That's what I'll be doing. Should just slide off, although it has 2 holes here, and it's 8mm by 1.25 is the bolt size, and thread pitch. You screw them in there, it'll force this off. Used a 1 1/4 socket. I'm sure it's metric, but it works just fine. I was trying to undo the staking on there, but not a requirement. Shouldn't go very far, but there should be some free play in here. And I wasn't moving with my air hammer at first. I'm going to spray some lubricant in here and walk away. We should be able to do this without taking the emergency brake stuff apart. So you might sort of have to tap it on some stuff to get it free. Maybe a little rust penetrant, some spray in here, maybe on the back side. We'll spray this down, let it sit for a little while. So what I'm also going to do is I'm going to put these 2 screws in on the back side, and I'm going to use my air hammer and hit them with the air hammer and try and drive that out. And the whole assembly might come off as well, but that's okay. I also took out a 10mm bolt for the speed sensor, just to make sure I'm not going to damage it. It's out, laying off to the side. So here we go. Seems to have worked. Take the bolts out and see about separating this. It'll be dangling by the emergency brake cable, probably. That'll be fine. I'm just using this extension. That extension and the hammer seemed to work fine for me without using the air hammer.